How to check views on Instagram post. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right and then select the post you want to view views of. In here, as you can see, there's no option. So what you need to do is go to three lines at the top. Scroll down to account. Type in tools, click on account, type in tools, and then click on switch to professional account. Press on next, select what describes you and switch to professional account. After you have switched to professional account, simply go to one of your posts. If you click on one of your posts, you will find view insight option. If you click on view insight, you'll be able to see views on Instagram post. As you can see, there is 3 views in my post. And this is how to check views on Instagram post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.